Welcome to this third section of the Paintclub tutorial. In this section we will be discussing the view basket functionality and how that actually works together with allocating to a project. To start off with, you need to have a specification in order to allocate that to the basket. The idea behind the basket functionality is to collate both specifications and service preparation in order to send the whole system to a project. So in this case I've done a specification in the redeck range for wood, which I will now add to the basket by clicking on this button here. This now takes me to the basket, which now shows that I have a specification in the basket waiting to be paired with its correct system with regards to preparation of the surface. So I'm just going to go back and add more. So if we go back to our products, select the preparation range, please note that the first selection that you have to do in order for the filters to work correctly is to click on the substrate range, choose the substrate, and that will then filter out and only leave you with the relevant methodology that will need to be selected. Clicking on the preparation methods, I can go down and make my selection and then add that to the basket by clicking on these buttons to the right. I will be making random selections. And as I click on the add to basket button, you will see it moving into the basket and also the application indicating to the top right hand corner that the method has been added to the basket. So now if we go and view our basket, you will see that our spec is visible together with all the different methodologies of preparing the surface. At this point we can now either delete all the specifications or instances in the basket, or if we choose to delete per transaction or per part. So from here we can now add these systems to the project. This will navigate us to the project screen, which we saw earlier with our master project that we have been working on selected already. So in this case we can now just allocate that to exterior, choose a building element, and our building element we can use floors because I chose wood as my substrate, and then save. And that is how the view basket functionality will work for the application.